Welcome to today's review of the 2026 Dacia Spring. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone on the lookout for your next ride, the Dacia Spring is an electric vehicle that is set to impress with its stylish design, cutting-edge features, and innovative technology. In this review, we'll dive deep into all the key aspects that make the 2026 Dacia Spring stand out. From exterior design to powertrain components, safety features, and everything in between, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2026 Dacia Spring's body panels are not just built for aesthetics but also for durability and efficiency. The body is designed with a mix of steel and lightweight materials, which helps to reduce weight and improve overall energy efficiency. The aerodynamic curves ensure the car glides smoothly through the air, minimizing drag and enhancing the driving range. The bodywork also features smart, minimalistic lines that give it a contemporary and sleek look, making it an eye-catching model on the road. Headlights. The headlights of the Dacia Spring feature a modern LED design, offering excellent visibility for both the driver and others on the road. These high-performance LEDs not only enhance the car's nighttime driving capabilities but are also energy efficient, a perfect match for an electric vehicle. The distinctive light signature on the front adds a touch of elegance, giving the Spring a modern, signature look that is hard to miss. Taillights. Moving to the rear, the taillights on the 2026 Dacia Spring are equally stylish and functional. With LED technology, they provide enhanced visibility and ensure that other road users are aware of your vehicle, especially in low light conditions. The design is sleek, and the signature light pattern mirrors the front headlights, creating a cohesive, stylish appearance from all angles. Grille. While electric cars don't need a traditional grille for air intake, Dacia has incorporated a functional and aesthetic grille design to enhance the vehicle's overall look. The grille features clean lines and a modern pattern, giving the Spring a sophisticated front face. It contributes to the car's aerodynamic efficiency and adds a sharp, attractive feature to the design. Mirrors. The side mirrors are equipped with advanced features like integrated turn signals and automatic dimming, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. They are designed with aerodynamics in mind, minimizing drag and helping improve the vehicle's overall range. Additionally, the mirrors are heated, making them ideal for colder climates, ensuring they stay clear even on frosty mornings. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. The interior of the Dacia Spring is designed to offer a comfortable and supportive driving experience. The seats are made with premium, eco-friendly materials that not only feel good but also help reduce the vehicle's environmental impact. They are adjustable, providing the driver and passengers with the perfect seating position for both short trips and long drives. Plus, the ergonomically designed seats ensure that comfort doesn't take a back seat to style. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is clean, intuitive, and fully digital. It houses a large, easy-to-read display that shows all essential driving information, such as speed, battery life, and navigation. The digital layout can be customized, allowing the driver to choose the display style that best suits their preferences. The use of high-quality materials and an uncluttered design ensures that everything you need is within easy reach, promoting a more pleasant driving experience. Infotainment system. The infotainment system in the Dacia Spring is equipped with the latest technology, offering seamless connectivity with your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system's 7-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, giving you access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or navigating through city streets, The infotainment system ensures you stay connected and entertained. Climate control. In the 2026 Dacia Spring, comfort extends beyond just the seats. The advanced climate control system allows you to set the perfect cabin temperature, with a digital interface for precision. Whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly winter morning, you can rest assured that the cabin will maintain the ideal atmosphere. Plus, the system is energy efficient, helping you preserve battery life while staying comfortable. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the Dacia Spring is wrapped in high-quality, eco-friendly leather, providing a premium feel while maintaining a sustainable focus. The wheel is adjustable for both height and reach, allowing drivers of all sizes to find their perfect driving position. Integrated controls for the infotainment system, cruise control, and hands-free calling ensure that all of your needs are at your fingertips without taking your hands off the wheel. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2026 Dacia Spring is powered by a highly efficient electric motor. This engine delivers a smooth and quiet ride, with zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for both city and highway driving. It provides impressive torque, meaning acceleration is responsive and smooth, especially when navigating through urban environments. The powertrain is optimized for range, ensuring you can enjoy long drives without worrying about frequent recharges. Transmission. As with most electric vehicles, the Dacia Spring comes with a single-speed automatic transmission. This system eliminates the need for gear shifting, providing a seamless driving experience. The lack of traditional gears also reduces the complexity and maintenance requirements, allowing for a hassle-free driving experience. Hybrid option. While the 2026 Dacia Spring is primarily electric, there is also an optional hybrid variant available. This hybrid model combines the benefits of a petrol engine with electric motor assistance, providing extra power when needed while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. It's a great option for those who are looking to make the transition to electric driving but still prefer the convenience of a hybrid engine. Exhaust system. Being an electric vehicle, the Dacia Spring doesn't have a traditional exhaust system. Instead, it features a regenerative braking system that helps recharge the battery during braking, extending the range of the car. This system is both energy efficient and environmentally friendly, contributing to the car's eco-conscious design. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The 2026 Dacia Spring comes with a full suite of airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags. This comprehensive airbag system ensures that all occupants are well protected in the event of a collision, reducing the risk of injury. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The Dacia Spring is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes an advanced pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. The pre-collision system detects potential obstacles and applies braking if necessary, while lane departure alert ensures you stay within your lane. The adaptive cruise control adjusts your speed based on traffic, maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Parking assist. The Dacia Spring features an advanced parking assist system that makes parking in tight spaces a breeze. Using sensors and cameras, the system helps you park by providing visual and audible guidance, ensuring you can park safely without worry. Blind spot monitoring. With blind spot monitoring, the Dacia Spring ensures that you're aware of vehicles in your blind spots. This system alerts you with a visual or audible signal if there's another vehicle approaching in your blind spot, reducing the risk of side collisions. Electrical and lighting systems. Battery. At the heart of the 2026 Dacia Spring is its impressive electric battery, which offers a long-range driving experience. The battery is designed for quick charging and high efficiency, ensuring that you spend more time on the road and less time waiting for a charge. It's also built to last, with a warranty that offers peace of mind for years to come. Lighting. The Dacia Spring features full LED lighting, including headlights, taillights, and interior lights. LED technology ensures better visibility and lower energy consumption, contributing to the vehicle's overall efficiency. The headlights provide excellent illumination, ensuring safety in low light conditions. Charging. The Dacia Spring offers both fast and regular charging options, ensuring that you can charge your car according to your schedule. The fast charging capability means you can top up your battery to 80% in under an hour, perfect for those on the go. And with the addition of home charging compatibility, you can easily charge your Spring overnight and start each day with a full battery. Suspension and handling. Front suspension. The front suspension of the Dacia Spring is designed for comfort and stability. It uses a McPherson strut setup, providing excellent handling and absorbing bumps in the road for a smooth ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding roads, the suspension ensures the vehicle stays composed. Rear suspension. At the rear, the Dacia Spring features a torsion beam axle, providing excellent stability and comfort. This setup works well with the vehicle's compact design, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Brakes. The Spring is equipped with regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while also providing excellent braking performance. The system allows for smooth and efficient stopping power, ensuring the driver has complete control. Wheels and tires. The wheels on the Dacia Spring are designed for both aesthetics and performance. With energy-efficient tires, they ensure a smooth and quiet ride while also improving the vehicle's range. The tire design also provides excellent grip, ensuring maximum safety on all types of terrain. Cargo and utility. Trunk space. Despite its compact size, the Dacia Spring offers impressive trunk space, making it practical for daily use. The space is perfect for grocery runs, luggage, or sports gear, ensuring you can carry all your essentials without compromise. Folding seats. The rear seats are easily foldable, offering even more cargo space when you need it. Whether you're hauling larger items or just need more room, the folding seats provide flexibility to suit your needs. Roof rails. For those who need extra storage capacity, the Dacia Spring comes with roof rails. Perfect for transporting bikes, luggage, or other bulky items, these roof rails expand the utility of the car and give you more freedom on your travels. Pricing. Base model. The base model of the 2026 Dacia Spring offers incredible value, packed with essential features like the infotainment system, advanced safety tech, and eco-friendly electric powertrain. It's a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly, efficient vehicle. Hybrid variant. For those looking for a bit more power and flexibility, the hybrid variant offers a combined petrol and electric engine, ideal for longer trips. This variant offers slightly higher pricing but adds value for those who want the best of both worlds. Fully loaded trim. The fully loaded trim is the ultimate version of the Spring, packed with premium features such as the top-tier infotainment system, advanced driver assistance systems, and luxury touches inside and out. It's the perfect choice for those who want everything the Spring has to offer. Release date. The 2026 Dacia Spring is set to hit dealerships in early 2026, and it's expected to be available in various markets shortly after its release. Be sure to check with your local dealer for availability.